In business today, you succeed because you're able to deliver high-value services to your clients, partners, and employees. You need to create a competitive advantage by being more agile, accelerating innovation, and maximizing the return on investment. To help you create that competitive advantage and fundamentally transform the way you do business, HP's innovative solutions give you the technology, know-how, and best practices you can trust to immediately start your transformation.
Together with HP, Alcatel-Lucent is helping service providers to create a brand new tier of services in the cloud space. Today, when you look at the cloud, there are real issues around performance, around SLAs, and around ease of use. And by harnessing the main asset that communication service providers have, which is their network, we can create a new tier of service that will allow for cloud applications to work better, faster, with low latency, at higher performance. So we're seeing communication service providers enter the cloud space with great force. And they like to offer enterprises, SMBs, and also application developers real alternatives to public clouds. We believe, together with HP, that we can provide a new tier of service in the market. Service providers can offer both enterprises and application developers a new type of cloud. We call this the carrier cloud. It has high SLAs, guarantees on performance, guarantees on bandwidth and latency, and can also manage networking connectivity automatically, such as VPNs. Additionally, we believe that service providers can actually compete very effectively for enterprise business in the cloud space by providing a new tier of service that offers high performance, SLAs, and guaranteed quality of service. We've asked 3,500 IT decision makers just a few days ago what's holding them back from moving really into the public cloud, for really embracing it. And what we found out is the number one issue is performance of their applications. They want to make sure that they can get high-end performance, low latency, guaranteed bandwidth, SLAs, secure connectivity. That is the number one issue that isn't offered to them through public cloud services today. Together, HP and Alcatel-Lucent are trying to solve that by leveraging the network into the cloud and allowing communication service providers to offer a brand new tier of services. It's very different from the public cloud you're used to today. First of all, architecturally, today's clouds are centralized in one location. We're distributing the cloud to hundreds of locations, everywhere telecommunication service providers have a footprint. So you'll have a little cloud in every city and in every neighborhood, obviously offering preferred and enhanced performance for customers in that area. Secondly, we're abstracting the network and offering network capabilities at a click of a button. So if you need guaranteed bandwidth, if you need VPN capabilities, if you need low latency, it's as easy to get as it is to order a virtual machine on a public cloud today. This tier of service doesn't exist today. It doesn't exist because the IT industry and the networks industry have been separate. By coming together and creating a joint solution to the market, we leverage the power of the network and the power of IT to create a new type of cloud. So we decided to enter a strategic alliance together with HP in this field for a few very strong reasons. First of all, HP is a world leader in the IT space. And when we look at our customers, Alcatel-Lucent is already an existing partner of many of them, most of them in the networking space. And HP is one of their leading partners in the IT space. So by coming together and combining the network and the cloud as an alliance, we're both trusted advisors that have the trust in our customer base in order to do that. But furthermore, when you look at the solutions, you look at the products, whether it's in the hardware side, whether it's scaled systems like the SL lines on the server side, or whether it's high performance systems like the C7000s, and whether it's true advancements on the software side as well, we believe the HP portfolio truly complements the Alcatel-Lucent portfolio for the benefit of our customers.